Hello and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today I bring you the atalax AL606's metal earphones. Let's take a look at them. So this is part 3 in our little mini series in which we're looking at very cheap headphones ranging in price from $5 all the way to $39.99, maybe a little bit higher, but who knows, we'll see. And again, right now we're looking at the atalax AL606s, but before we dive right into it, make sure to be subscribed so you guys can be entered into the giveaway for the Alcatel Joy Tab 2 tablet. The moment I reach 750 subscribers, I am going to be giving one of these puppies away. Just make sure to comment and be subscribed. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. So, you guys already know I'm a huge fan of that glossy cardboard that the manufacturers do because it captures your eye. And in particular, these, I'm a fan of this one as I think it's quirky that it has a little rope for it to be hung on the hook. Something that you don't typically see. I know you see it with other ones, but not with headphones, okay? And I just found this to be fairly quirky. I feel like they're demure. And I'm also a huge fan of this clear plastic on the side. It's a clear plastic window that allows you to look at the actual earbuds inside and see that they are not just red, but if you can see the metal earbuds, they are just like this deep cherry red. It is a nice, deep, intense color. And I do like this little holographic thing on the side. I don't know, I just like it. Also here in the back, we see a little breakdown of the earbuds in case, or the headphones in case you've never had headphones and you have no idea how they work. Obviously, there's a plug. We have our earbuds on the sides, and it looks like we're gonna have in-ear controls. It looks like we have a volume slider, just like the other ones that we've tested, as well as our little button that's gonna, again, I'm gonna assume play pause. You double tap it for skip forward, and you triple tap it for skipping back. And it's also gonna be able to answer as well as end phone calls. And then we see a little pinhole microphone right there in the middle. And again, I'm starting to see more and more of that little warning that if you listen to music at high volumes, it's definitely going to hurt your ears because that's been very well proven and documented. And let's go ahead and dive right into the box. Let me see if I can get it open. It says open right there, but it's not opening it. Are you supposed to rip this or just slide it out? I don't know, well.
2 hours later.
It's not, okay, well, there we go. There we go. And again, yep, so, okay, so at least with that bump in price, we were able to get extra earbuds, large and small, in case the pre-installed medium ones aren't quite your fit. Now the earbuds themselves, it looks like it's, they're like cloth covered. Let's go ahead and wrap them. And it looks like just like the JBLs, these have this, what is it? It's a little plastic tag on the end that I really wish they didn't have because this is plastic. You can't, oh, well. Even if you do rip this off, it leaves a nasty little, what is this? Little tag behind. I wish they wouldn't do that because then sometimes you have to take a pair of scissors to them and taking scissors anywhere near very thin wires makes me very, very nervous. But again, these just look a little bit, they do look nicer anyway. Actually, in their defense, they do look a little bit nicer. The build quality seems to be okay. It's not anything amazing that I would write home about. I'd say that it's pretty good, but I do like the little red inserts to match the color of the earbuds themselves. And again, we have inline controls. It looks to be like we have a volume slider. Again, we're gonna see how good that is. So it's a pinhole microphone and inline controls. And now the earbuds themselves, this is what they look like. They're labeled right and left. And they also do have a little mesh to help prevent debris and earwax from getting in there, unlike the first pair of headphones that we had. All right, but without further ado, let's go ahead and pop these puppies in there. We're gonna slide our music slider all the way to the top. All right, let's go ahead and pop this right to the right, left to the left. And you guys already know. So let's just go ahead and test and make sure that the button works. And yes, you pause it, you press it, pause it, you press it again, it plays. You double tap. Skip forward, you 1, 2, 3. You triple tap and it skips backward. I was saying that the build quality on these seemed nicer until I got a better look in here. And I'm not sure how well you guys can see that actually. Yeah. That's not, oh no, oh no. Oh no. Yeah. Look at that. How's that held together? Is it just plastic? Yeah, it's just, that's so poorly made. I mean, in their defense, the volume slider works quite well, but man, that's terrible. The other two didn't do that. Like, come on. That is god awful. Hold on. The other two do that? Look, no, the other two did not do that. Look, I'm even trying to pull them apart. Okay, so these survived the pull test. I'm a little upset. Okay. Okay, so at least these survived the initial pull test. Okay, you know what? Like, I'm not even gonna give these guys another chance. That's really bad. That's really, really shoddy build quality. They kind of did look off to be from the beginning, to be honest with you guys. I'm not gonna lie. The sound quality was starting to, you know, they sound okay. They sound good actually. I was starting to feel excited about them because they actually have kind of good headroom and they actually sounded fairly good compared to the other ones. But that build quality, you saw that. I literally just pulled it out of the box and they already fell apart. You know, mind you, they still work obviously and they sound well, but you don't want your headphones to fall apart on you. Like, come on. That's so shitty. Like, holy cow. You know, and again, it's such a shame because these actually sounded good. They sound clear. They almost sound crisp. Lows come through well. The highs come through. The hi-hats, like, cymbals are crisp. Everything just sounds really well. And they had to let me down. Oh my God, they sound really well actually. But why did they have to let me down like that? I'm so disappointed. Anyway, I'm not gonna dog them anymore. They were bad. I'm gonna try to get maybe. I'm gonna look at another pair. We're gonna do another unboxing in the future to make sure it wasn't just this one. You know, make sure it wasn't like a one-off thing. But nonetheless, you know, every product that leaves your factory should be tested. Every product that, you know, that leaves bears your name or your brand. And this is just unacceptable. Unacceptable, 100%. That's hot garbage. But anyway, go ahead and subscribe, guys. Let me know in the comments what other similar experiences you've had with subpar headphones. Have some other headphones broken right out of the box. This kind of reminds me like the Zizos. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link for them right here so you guys can go watch that video and see how bad they were. And so you guys can see that they literally broke the moment I put them in my ear and they fell to the floor. It's It's crappy. It's really disappointing when manufacturers make subpar stuff. And again, make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment what experiences you've had with subpar headphones so you can be entered into the giveaway for an Alcatel Dre Tab 2 tablet. I will be giving one of these puppies away the moment I reach 750 subscribers. And as always, thanks for watching.